Hi, I am Pradesh. My register number is ULK18CS005. In this video, we are going to see database management system lab experiment number 9. Heading of the experiment is triggers. So here we are going to demonstrate the working of triggers in database management systems. So description is a database trigger is procedural code that is automatically executed in response to create certain events on particular table or view in a database. The trigger is mostly used for maintaining the integrity of the information on the database. Question is create a function following table course. Here the SQL has been selected the form select star from course. The course has been shown. Then fees paid, and here it has been showing that the fees paid select from fees paid, so it's showing who all have paid the fees. And the next one is inquiry. Here the inquiry is given, here the select from inquiry. This is showing that inquiry. And next, to create a trigger to check the validity of course code for a row is inserted in course table. So here creating the replaced trigger course code check before insert on course for each row when new dot begin rise application error end. So trigger has been created here, and insert into course value, the value has been given, and insert into course value another value also given. So error has been showing that invalid course code, this is the error. So next we are trying on again, so it has been to this row has been created. So it has been showing that web 25 web technology 22. So this has been create a trigger which does not allow any DML operations over the inquiry table if the name of the user is student1. So create or replace this trigger new trigger before insert or update or delete or inquiry for each row. Declare name varchar begin select user into name from dual. So this is a command you are given here. The trigger has been created. Next, create trigger that allows no insert number of insert operation in on fees paid table when the amount is less than 10,000. So here also creating the replacing insert the fees paid trigger has been created. Insert into fees paid value. Here the value has been given and the row has been created. Insert into fees paid error, and here the created trigger is. So this has been showing error. Next, create a trigger to ensure no insert operation to be allowed in the inquiry table when the inquiry data is above 25 August 17. So here also command has been given, trigger has been created, and it's also showing error. Create a trigger which does not allow any update operation in inquiry table whenever the old value of the update statement is not equal to old value in the table. So here also creating a trigger, so the trigger has been created, and inserting it's also showing error. Next one is create a trigger to ensure that number of insert operation to be allowed in fees paid table when the average of the fees paid amount is above 50,000. So here also trigger has been created, inserting the value is showing the error. So this is how we are doing trigger in MySQL. These are the commands and codes used here in MySQL. Thank you.